Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. In this video lecture, we will discuss how to find the cube root of minus 27. Let x be a cube root of minus 27, then x is equal cubic root of minus 27. Then x is equal minus 27 to the rest 1 over 3. Now taking cube on both sides, so we have x cube is equal minus 27 to the rest 1 over 3 whole cube. These three cut each other, so x cube is equal minus 27. Now x cube plus 27 is equal 0. Then x cube plus 3 cube is equal 0, as 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to 27. 3 to the rest 3 is equal to 27. Also we know that a cube plus b cube is equal a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So the above x cube plus 3 cube we can write at x cube plus 3 cube is equal x plus 3 into x square minus ab, mean that 3x plus 3 square is equal 0, implies that x plus 3 is equal 0, or x square plus x square minus 3x, x square minus 3x plus 3 times 3 is equal 9. 9 is equal 0. Here x plus 3 is equal 0, we can write at x is equal minus 3. The first root as minus 3. To find the other roots, we use quadratic formula, as we know that x is equal minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here a is equal 1, b is equal minus 3, and c is equal 9. Putting these value in the above quadratic formula, so we have x is equal minus b minus 3 plus minus b square, mean that minus 3 square, minus 4 a is equal 1, and c is equal 9, divided by 2a, 2 times a is equal 1. So x is equal minus and to minus is equal plus 3 plus minus square root of minus 3 square is equal 9, minus 4 times 1 times 9 is equal minus 36. Two times 1 is equal to 2. So x is equal 3 plus minus square root of 36 minus 9 is equal 27, minus 27 divided by 2. X is equal 3 plus minus square root of minus 1 and minus 27 divided by 2. X is equal 3 plus minus square root of minus 1 and square root of square root of 27 divided by 2a. As we know that a times b, a times b, square root of a times b is equal to square root of a and square root of b. Similarly, square root of minus 1, square root of minus 1 and 27 is equal to square root of minus 1 and square root of 27. Also, we know that square root of minus 1 is equal iota. So the above we can write at x is equal 3 plus minus iota and square root of 27 divided by 2. And we know that square root of 27 is equal to square root of 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to 3 times square root of 3. So x is equal 3 plus minus iota 3 times square root of 3 divided by 2. X is equal to 3 plus minus x is equal to taking, now we taking 3 common, so we have taking minus 3 common, so we have minus 1 plus minus iota square root of 3 divided by 2. Also we know that omega is equal to minus 1 plus iota square root of 3 divided by 2, and omega square is equal minus 1 minus iota square root of 3 divided by 2. So x gave us two value plus and minus. So x is equal to minus 3 minus 1 plus iota square root of 3 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 3 omega, and x is equal to minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus iota, because x has three value or two value plus and minus iota square root of 3 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 3 omega square. So the cube roots are, one is minus 3 and the other is minus 3 omega, and the last one is minus 3 omega square.